So I have to kick the idiots out of here. There's no way I want them running around, jumping, playing grab ass when I got a $25,000 paint job, a $300 stripe, and it's all got to be laid out perfectly. I will admit, one time I wasn't paying attention, didn't realize that these are directional. The top is forward and the bottom is back like that, so it's going, whoo, it's kicking dust up. When I put the door one on, I put it on upside down so it went the other direction with the top at the back and the bottom at the front.
I'm on the phone and I turn around, there's my dad leaving with Emma and all of her blankets after it took me 2 hours to get her to go to sleep.
Hey, you want to see the Roadrunner? Want to see the pretty Roadrunner bird? Look.
Didn't ask me or anything. Rule number 1 is not to wake a sleeping baby, so.
Meep, meep. Everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you, hit subscribe.